Start recording. And gosh, but am I recording also? Hopefully. All right, so I'm ready to go.
So let's start.
I'm gonna put
I will be just behind you.
I don't need my helmet, right? Okay.
It's your right. You should know.
Here we go, man. Ready?
Ready?
All right.
Bye bye.
So far, I'm having fun. Oh, look what happened just in time. That's fantastic.
No!
Oh, he bounced you. He bounced you back.
Yay!
Everything is ruined.
Yay!
Keep going, man. See if you can get. You have to. You know, that's not part of the show.
No?
All right, I passed my first portal. Passed my first tunnel bore.
It's fun. More attraction than we thought.
Yeah. Anything can happen on these rides, right?
I can see on the edge of render distance, so it's good.
I wish I could slow myself down some way.
No. It should be okay.
All right. I don't have to get off.
We have.
It's dangerous to get off the ride in the middle of it. You don't want to do that.
Yeah, exactly. The beginning is slow, except lava, except slime. I like this big first cave.
It's slow because I didn't have you to put all those windy turns.
Yes. Because I made the part of this track. Yes.
Oh, surprise turn! It caught me off guard. I never would have seen that coming.
Okay, I hear the heartbeat. Okay. Ooh, you turn somewhere. Ooh.
I'm heading into an ancient city.
Oh, zombie is chasing me.
Really?
Yeah. But I was too fast for him.
Oh, yeah, of course. Now what happened?
Roller coaster ride. It's fun. It's safe.
Passing my first warden. Now, will I see you in the same city?
Yeah. I see you too.
Are you in there already? Oh yeah, I see you. I see you back there. Okay. I should be exiting.
Yeah.
And I just passed
Looking
by.
on this.
I passed by a shrieker, but it didn't shriek.
Oh. Okay. It's sniffing me, Mr. Warden. Don't sniff me. I'm clean. I take my shower. I really like this first ancient city. I need to grab wings and fly inside because it's really amazing. This cave.
Yeah, the cave is amazing. Put on your night vision goggles and go fly around. There's a lot of mobs up on the upper shelf, but lots of dripstone in there. It's pretty amazing.
Okay. I need to trust you. Ooh, portal.
So I wonder how many tracks, how much trackage did we lay down here?
Statistics, items, rails. Power trails, I have 2,800, and regular rails I cannot find. I will check later.
Yeah. I'll check after the ride. It's got to be up there. We'll add the totals.
And this tunnel is so massive. It took how long you dig this space?
I think forever, man. It was it was going on. Let me see. I can't see you behind me. Oh, there you are.
Yay!
I can't remember how early I started, but it's been going almost all season, and that's just the abbreviated season since we joined.
Yeah. So few months.
There's a dangerous-looking cavern coming up. I have no idea what to expect.
No. Okay. I see the moon.
Oh yeah?
Spawner is there. Okay. Ooh! This cave is so high. It's so high.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, I just got darkness. I don't see a thing now. You know, with the darkness effect, you miss half the ride.
Unfortunately. Okay. And here you are, Mr. Sniffer. Bye. Yay! I didn't get the blind effect.
Oh, you didn't? Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. It's nice, but it's dark. No.
Yeah, that cave is pretty amazing. You know, I'm wondering if me being ahead of you, if I'm gonna spawn the mobs that will get, you know, cause problems for you.
Ooh, water.
Okay,
We will see. I'm just exiting from this beautiful high cave.
Yeah.
I see you. I can. Ooh, now I can't see you. Lava. Ooh, nice.
Do you have to zoom in to see me?
Yeah. No, I see you without zoom, but with zoom I can see your beautiful hairstyle.
Yes. I didn't see the warden, but I went under the glass section there. I got to look down the other hallway. What is that? Yeah.
Okay, so there should be warden somewhere here.
Yeah, did you see him? I didn't see him.
No.
I'm in the next ancient city. See
Okay.
amethyst and curtains of waterfalls of lava, waterfalls of water.
I see the track on the other side of town, but I turn in different way. Okay.
Here's the next warden cage.
Ooh. I like this lava in this entrance.
Oh, darkness. You know the
I
dark.
can see you.
I can't see anything right now. The darkness effect. Have you noticed if you have kind of a long distance view, you can see it coming towards you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, Mr. Sniffer.
Mr. Sniffer.
Uh-oh. I can't see anything. What did you do? Uh-oh. Ooh.
I looked for you, but I did not see you. Let's see.
Okay.
Behind me?
I'm exiting the ancient city. I think. Ooh.
There you are.
Okay.
Yeah, I can barely see you.
Yay! I saw the smile on your face. Yes. So massive tunnel system.
Now this straightaway does get kind of boring. You can tell I laid this one down because I was like, let's just get to the next ancient city. Okay, I'm going through.
Yeah, you should do the teleporting stuff.
Could you possibly do that with a rail system? I don't think so. No.
Unfortunately.
That would be interesting.
Ooh, lava lake.
Yeah, the lava's fun.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Passed by a spawner. And I see more tunnel bore remnants. There's a lot of, some of this tunnel borer stuff. There's some valuable materials left behind.
Oh yeah, for sure. Ooh, spawner, bye-bye.
Okay, looks like the... Which one are we on? Fourth ancient city?
I think so, yeah.
That one's coming up here, passing the tunnel bore. There's a bunch of
one more. Okay.
ancient debris on there that could be harvested.
Yeah, I never fully upgraded my stuff in this season to another ride, so...
No. Well, we gotta take care of that.
This is my special episode. I already finished the season, so not this time.
We'll do that first thing next season.
Probably now. I want another ride only on my peak. Rest is... okay.
I didn't get darkness this time. It's,
Uh-oh. It's warden cage.
Okay, let's see, where are you?
I'm hearing the heartbeat. I see you.
Oh, I see you. I think I saw you. You're really far away.
No, you are the far away.
I mean,
You spawned the slime on me.
I'll play the brakes. Yeah, you know, that was an example of, one person summoning the mobs for the guy behind, right?
Yeah. Well, it's still fun.
Okay. Now I'm on the same track. It's nice that we could reuse some of the same track here.
Okay.
You know, one thing I think we gotta figure out. I noticed in MetalJack's video is when we have these player interactions, sometimes one recording is a lot quieter than another one.
Yeah, it's on your. If you mean about audio, it's because of your setup. I mean, if you choose in voice chat, you have settings and you can adjust the volume for everybody. If you use Discord, probably it's personal settings.
Yeah.
Discord.
But yeah, so you know, these volume settings, they sound fine to me. During our play, but the recordings might be different.
Yeah. Woo, lava lake again. Whee!
Okay, I know where you are now.
Yeah.
There you are.
But I need. I think if you use OBS to recording, for recording, you can separate audio from Discord, for example. So in that way, you could change the volume of other people.
You can just through OBS. So yeah, I'm using OBS.
You need to add source, and but it's more complicated because I'm lazy guy and I'm using only microphone and other sound. Yeah, and I see the cross or the right track. Where now? Where are you?
This part, yeah, you won't see me. This part's super confusing.
Okay, going up.
And by that I mean it's super fun. It's a lot more interesting than the straightaway.
Woohoo! Oh, lava. No, okay, no. Okay. And here, woo!
So if rails can go through water now, if they can go through water, can they go through lava?
No. Lava is destroying the... Oh, my face!
Yeah, that happens.
No, you cannot go through lava because of damage. My cart will be damaged.
My cart is, okay. That's too bad.
I think.
Well, because you could do like a splash potion of fire resistance, right?
But on player only, yeah?
Yeah.
Whee!
On the player, yeah. So if the cart takes damage, then it doesn't work. But if they can go through lava like it can water.
Yeah. Whee! Oh, I saw you and now I can't.
Yeah, I disappeared quickly. Now, let me see. I'm doing too much craziness underground.
Woo!
Yeah, I like this part coming out of the amethyst. Where are you? Where are you?
I see you.
Oh,
Wait. Oh, ooh, lava.
I did
More
see.
lava. No.
I saw you made some changes to some of these parts of the track. Like you went through. This is the double warden area now. 2 cages.
Where I made some changes.
I noticed a couple places. So at the big turn that's coming up, the main tunnel turn.
Oh yeah.
Hello, Mr. Wardens. This is a purple frog light ancient city.
Yes, I see.
Ooh, that guy's hyped up.
It's double warden.
Yeah. So,
Oh god.
what if I get them agitated and then you go by?
I see you.
I didn't get
Okay.
darkness. Did you get darkness?
Not yet. Oh, now. I cannot see anything.
This part coming up.
Where is my truck? Where is my truck? Water. Ooh.
I really like this part coming up here. We're in the dark cave, going through a tunnel. Now we're in this massive.
Spoiler talk. Yeah.
Just edit me out.
No,
Just put me on delay.
it's not. It's not possible. You are the maker of this truck. How I can mute you?
Well, I'm not the maker of this part. You're the maker of this part. This part's.
You. I love this part when you
Yeah.
going down in the cave.
Yes, I like that part. And then up through the amethyst. Or through the amethyst.
This cave was awesome.
Yeah. I kind of forget where I am now. Okay, now. We're coming up to the big turn, right?
Whee! Probably. Whee! Spawner.
Oh yeah, the spawner. Okay, I like you made changes at this part that I'm at too. So
On the end, yeah.
yeah, turn left here, and you pop out. And you can
I
even
was
see
bored.
there's like whoa, go way down. And you left some of the old track there too, even.
Yeah.
That's great. Okay,
Whee! On my
Last-
face.
last ancient city. I'm just entering.
Okay. Diamonds. Oh, I don't have pick. Whee! I'm falling. Yes, double track.
Let's see. Oh, I got darkness. It's too much
Whee!
darkness.
Ooh. Too much darkness.
Can
Okay.
I? Okay, I'm gonna
No.
hold the light so I have less darkness.
I don't have any light. I'm hearing the wardens.
I'll leave one for you.
Oh my god.
There, I left one
I
for you.
see the darkness.
I see you. There you go.
I don't see anything.
Ooh,
I'm hearing the sounds. Okay, better.
I saw you
Nice.
briefly.
How many wardens is there?
1,
3?
2. I can't count all the wardens. I
see
should see 4 in here. Oh,
Okay, I see only 3 of them.
by the time you see 1, it's too late. You get darkness. Okay, let's see.
Wee.
There's another one.
Wee. Okay. It's too close. Oh, hello! Hello! Bye bye!
Oh, those guys are hanging out right together.
Yeah, they very. Ooh! Where I'm going? Nice. Did you loot all the chests in this ancient city?
No,
No!
none of them.
Okay, end of the ride. I need loot.
There's-
Oh no, I cannot see anything.
I think there's 2 ancient cities that are untouched, and
Nice.
probably you can find some loot in all of them.
I like this amethyst inside this
Yeah, I wanted to make sure we passed by that because it had such kind of a neat opening.
Okay, why I'm turning to the lava? No.
I won't spoil anything. Maybe I got burned up by lava.
The rest of the machine. Bye-bye, machine. Bye-bye. Ooh, lava. Whee! Okay. Oh.
Surprise underwater spot that I won't spoil.
Oh, good. Because
no,
it will
I'm
be
in
shame
lava.
if you spoil that.
It's too late. It's too late for me. I'm in lava. I burned up.
No.
Turn back now. Did you get the light I left back for you?
Yeah.
Is it helping?
Not now. I see. Oh, okay.
Hey,
I see you.
we're in the same place. Are we gonna crash?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Hello.
Well, this isn't how it's supposed to.
I'm loving this.
Okay. You know what? I'll just change my perspective. Oh, what happened?
I don't know. My card just stopped.
That was funny.
It was fun. Yeah, I think this is the way in which you should do this trip.
So yeah, it's you do have to carefully plan how you space out your riders here, but at least we're closer now. I can actually see you.
Yeah.
I saw that gesture you just gave.
This is the end?
This is the end. No more slime.
Oh no.
Mr. Slime
This is the end of the
disintegrated.
road. Die, potato, die. Oh.
And I like the sign you put there. I did change it a little bit to add Ancient City Tours.
Nice. And if you are eject from the card, you are just seeing the sign. It's perfect.
It's perfect, yeah. I love it.
It's so nice trip.
Yeah, I like it. It's great.